The bat-eared fox harvested termites. The fox's favorite snack. No bigger than an ant. Strangely, a termite's footsteps are 100 times quieter. They may seem impossible to detect, but the bat-eared fox has a sonic superpower and uses its oversized ears to amplify the tiniest sounds. As they patrol, the desert's amazing night chorus turns up to full volume, drowning out the tiny sounds of termite footsteps. The cacophony is created by amorous bush crickets that belt out their 90 decibel mating calls by rubbing modified wings together. But the clever fox can filter out their din. They cock their heads and aim their satellite dish ears to the ground, blocking out the background noise and just listening in to their quarry. Their hearing is so acute, a single fox can eat 3,000 termites a night.